I be in Vybz and this, be in Vybz and this, Vybz and this, be in Vybz and this, be in Vybz and this, I be in Vybz and this.
Alright, the man run and grab chain and wind up and go on, and then people look back. This is coming up big man. I see the next one. Yeah, two. Bad one. You must come here and tell man, but you must see man here tell bad one. They look for chairman, me here tell bad one over there. I will have to give which hand. Which hand will give?
Madness! What? Watch out!
Come back here man, Papi man foot. Oh God.
Yeah, people. You don't know a Bear Vybz Stevie and it's Grizzly Bear. You know what I mean? Most people Bear Fox. So, you know what I mean? I like my people them for comment and subscribe. You know what I mean? Yeah, because the situation look brutish. Yeah, cause how is it an officer, you know what I mean, who's supposed to protect and serve, who's supposed to be there for the civilians, be treating a civilian in such a manner? Yeah, and then what could be the reason for the action of this officer? You understand? What could have led him up to the point to want to inflict, you know what I mean, inflict and hit on this individual. But prior to the force that he used to hit this individual, he broke the man's ankle. You know what I mean? What give? What really give? You know what I mean? What gives? You know, when I saw the video, you know, I was looking for the visibility in his actions. Why? You know, why? And I know everybody is going to ask the question, why? So, leave a comments, you know, share your views, because as I say, you know, we're going to look over the comments them, and in following, you know, uploads, we will continue reviews and previous, you know what I mean, situations and cases. So you don't know, it's Bear Vybz TV and I might take that.
I be in Vybz and this, be in Vybz and this, Vybz and this, be in Vybz and this, be in Vybz and this, I be in Vybz and this.